So guys, what is a HMO? So a HMO stands for House of Multiple Occupancy or House of Multiple Occupation. Now what this means is you could buy a normal everyday house that you grew up in that's maybe 2 or 3 bedrooms. When you're putting it and creating a HMO, you're creating individual bedrooms that are going to be let out or rented out to individuals or couples if you have larger rooms. So for example, in this house, we have one room here that's going to have an off-suite. So this will be a single occupants room. This room right here is going to be a dual occupants room. So it's a nice double size. This room in here will have a couple in because it's a large room. Now, all this means when you have a HMO is that you are letting these rooms individually, so they each room, it's a bit like a hotel, so each room has their own income. So if we were to rent this building out as a whole, we could probably make $650 per month in income, but because we're renting them per room, now this house is going to be 7 bedrooms, so 7 rooms in one house, and each room is going to go for the smallest will be about $500 a month. The top room, which will have its own kitchenette, is going to be about $650 per month. So what this means is that one house that would normally get about $650 a month in rental income is going to get 7 times the amount in rental income. This is a really good strategy for income. So if you want to make passive income to be able to replace your job, HMO strategy is high cash flow. Also, you can make really good money when you're remortgaging this on the end. So when you've added the value and then you're remortgaging on the back end, this is a great strategy for making extra profit if you choose to do so, if you choose to leverage the lending. So HMO is simply creating from one dwelling multiple letting rooms.